Hey, what's up guys? Today we will see how we can split PDF pages in Good Programming, and this is the fourth video of this series. Even if you don't have any experience with the Good Programming, there is no need to worry. Just follow along and you will be able to do this task on your own. So let's get started. Package which I am going to use is OS for file opening, log for error handling, and then to convert a number into a string. From the UniPDF we are going to use the model package for PDF reader and PDF writer. And now let's get the file descriptor using the os.open, which returns the file object and if there is any error. Passing the file name. The file which I am going to use, it has 5 PDF pages, and make sure we check for the error if it is successfully created. And now we can close the file. After getting the file descriptor, we can create the PDF reader using the model package. So we have a function new PDF reader from file. So this function takes the file name and an optional parameter. To get the file name, we use the file descriptor, and within the file descriptor we can get the name function, and then for the optional parameter we can just pass nil. Next, we can get the number of pages for our PDF file. So to get the number of pages, we are going to use the PDF reader. So within the PDF reader we have function get num pages, which will give us the number of pages. Once we have the number of pages, it's time to add a for loop to get each page one by one. Because page starts at 1, so we create a page number variable I plus 1, and now we can get the PDF page using the PDF reader. So PDF reader has a function get page, which takes the page number which we want to get. Now we can create the PDF writer using the model package to add this page. So model.new PDF writer, and to add the page we have a function PDF writer dot add page, pass over PDF page which we created above. Now it's time to create the output file name. So here I am going to append the page number with the string page underscore, and here I will use the string convert package to convert the page name into a string. This function converts the number into a string. And now it's time to write the file. So write to file, pass over output file. Now we can upload the file which we want to split. Upload the file, and now if we run our program, this is my main file, and here my page 1, and then here is the page 2, and so on and so forth. That's it for today. If you have any question or any suggestion for me, you want me to cover any topic related to PDF files, feel free to add that in the comment section. I will be creating more videos on PDF related topics, and I hope to see you guys in next videos.